So what's your next question?
So what is the future of fintech?
Okay, frankly speaking, I see a very bright future of fintech, but it will take a lot of rigor, a lot of hard work, a lot of ecosystem building. So let's take an example. You'll understand that better. Now that example could be Paytm. Now what is Paytm offering? Paytm is offering nothing but convenience
Mm-hmm.
on the mobile, and that's what every fintech startup in the world is offering. What they're
Yeah.
offering is nothing but convenience.
Yeah, I can easily book
You
tickets
can easily
and
book tickets, you can easily pay, you can easily transfer money, you can buy mutual funds, or you can buy any financial product like what? Insurance, for example. So Policy Bazaar is what? Policy Bazaar is another fintech company which has done nothing,
mm.
but they have brought all the comparison of policies together, and now they're selling. They are $1 billion company.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, Paisa Bazaar or Bank Bazaar maybe, okay, whatever that name is. So what they've done no innovation. They've just collected data, and the data is presented to the customer, and now they're thinking, oh yes, okay, that's an interesting data, we can build on it. And I think okay, they have followed some Chinese model, which are trying to bring that collaborations piece together. So where we are, I think okay, we lost track. Where we were?
How about the future?
About the future of the fintech. So now what they're selling is nothing but convenience. So ultimately, okay, what you see is only convenience factor being sold by fintech, but that cannot be replicated as only success criteria or the only value that the customer wants.
Mm.
Now tell me, okay, why, say for example, uh, why banks are not worried? Okay, or why any other company in the world, okay, which is like a stable company, they are not worried, irrespective of the fintech startups coming in. And they're not worried because they have created an ecosystem. And they have created the ecosystem in like huge time. So they've set up branches, they have transfers money, they have tie-ups, they have what? Remittances, then debit cards, credit cards, stuff like that.
Mm.
All those things. Now, how I see fintech is doing nothing, okay, but bringing convenience, okay, or on top of the products, okay. So they have no new products. They're selling the existing products of banks. They are
Okay.
doing whatever the banks are doing. So if banks want to kill fintech tomorrow, they can kill.
They can provide the same services.
They can provide the same services and kill the market. Now tomorrow, if SBI wants to launch an app and say, okay, fine, we'll do all that, okay, what Paytm does, they might be able to kill Paytm. Who knows? If they pump sufficient money.
Mm.
Who knows? So it's a matter of time. So it's a matter of convenience. But it's not of only value that customer will go for any fintech startup. So fintech startup has to see a larger value, uh, has to bring a larger value on the table for the customer, and that larger value is ecosystem. And you cannot build ecosystem together. So what you have to do, you have to collaborate. You have to collaborate with like 50 other startups, or maybe you can collaborate with bank, collaborate with government, collaborate with platform providers, collaborate with Amazon to provide servers, stuff like that. You cannot do that alone because you don't have that kind of money. So I see a great thing, but it will take huge amount of time. Next 5 years, I don't see anything big happening.
Well, that will be all.